Welcome back to Manik Artverse. चित्रकार की रंग मिलाने की पटिया 1 Today I am excited to share the making of my latest painting, The Enlightened Gloom. This artwork is created using acrylic colors, which dry quickly, allow for smooth layering, and help capture both fine details and vibrant tones. This painting is not just art, it's also considered very auspicious for peace, positivity, and harmony. Placing such artwork at home or office can create a calming atmosphere and serve as a reminder of inner stillness and balance.
Give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me.
Thank you for watching Folded Hands 1. I hope this tutorial gives you both inspiration and a sense of calm. If you'd like to bring the same energy into your own space, I also take on commission works, from spiritual themes like this Buddha painting to other personalized creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to spread the peace. Pushpankal 1. And of course, subscribe to Manik Artverse for more tutorials, original paintings, and behind the scenes journeys.